Hey guys, it's Key and it's Key Life Trading. Thanks for tuning into another video. So today is another banger. Today is day 10 of the small account challenge, and 2 out of 2 stocks I traded today, green on both of them. So accuracy is on point, consistency is on point. If you guys made some money today, put in the comment section below if you made some money. You lost some money, comment section below. The regular. Today I was very eased today, and I like when I'm in this space. I was playing some nice music, I'm comfortable, and first trade I took, I was very excited, got me in the driver's seat, and I got a little bit more confident. Then I took another trade, and we made some money. So the first one I traded was USEA, if I'm not mistaken. We'll see if I'm correct. Someone called it out on the chat room, and then I pulled it up. There was some news, jumped in, quick scalp, got in, got out, made profit. The second trade I took was on KSS. I forgot what that was. But anyways, shorted that, took got in, got out. That's it. But we're gonna go over these trades, and let's do it right now. So as you can see, I've been looking at PXMD. I wanted to jump in on this, but I was a little hesitant, and because of how price action was moving, I was like, you know what, I'm not gonna risk it. I'm gonna keep my profit, and I'm not going to trade anymore at this moment. Like I said, maybe at the end of the day when power hour come, I might see something that might be, you know, pretty clean, and I'll probably take another trade. But as for now, I only traded 2 stocks, and those 2 stocks was USEA and KSS, right? So the first trade I took was on USEA right here, and I took that trade pre-market. So I took it pre-market on this big green right here. So someone called it out on the chat room, and when they called it out, I opened the actual chart, and I was looking at it, and I'm like, okay, there's some news on it, but the news wasn't that strong, and I got in on the first pullback right here at, what price was it? It was at what's the price? 159. Basically 159, like right here. I got filled right here at 159, and then the stock started to squeeze all the way up, and then after a while just took the profit at 172 with, so basically I jumped in with 500 shares right here at 159, and then at the top took all my positions, sold 500 shares and got in and got out, and I made, I think it was, let me just double check on that trade. I think I made, give me a second, I'm just looking at, okay, so I made $57 and some change, right? So that's I think that's after commission. So I made $57 after commission on that trade. All right, then when the market opened, I wasn't too interested in it, because after it came down, went up here, it started to fade, and I'm like, okay, there is nothing exciting about it. There's nothing that looks good about the chart anymore. So I went, started scanning, looking at the scanner, my scanner. I started to talk to the people in the chat room and see what they're looking at. And then finally, there was some news on KSS. There was news that, let's see, I'll find it for you guys. So KSS is Kohl's, right? There was some news right here. So there was exclusive Oak Street Real Estate Capital LLC offers as much as basically $2 billion to buy real estate from Kohl's, right? So I looked at it, good news, right? It's not the greatest news, because at the end of the day, they're offering. So at the end of the day, Kohl didn't say, okay, we're gonna accept it. It was just that another company was offering them $2 billion for some real estate that Kohl's own, right? So the fact that I seen that it wasn't nothing like super exclusive, I'm like, okay, we're gonna short this one, because at the end of the day, I missed this move up. So I was looking at it, and I'm like, I know this is gonna go back down eventually, and as you can see, it went back down, right? So, and as you can see on the daily chart, this stock been going down for a long time, right? So the first trade, which was at 1046, let's go to the 1 minute chart. Sorry, let's close this. So it was at 1046. Let me zoom it in so you guys can see. So 1046. So 1046 is around here, right? So at 1046, I jump in on a short position at 30.49. So I got in right here. Was anticipating the break to continue to go down, right? So I jumped in with 96 shares, which is not a lot of shares. Price action went up to go retest these resistance, which I wasn't panicking, right? And the reason why I wasn't panicking is because, like I said, the news wasn't all that. It was just an offer that another company was trying to offer some money to acquire some of the space that Cole do have or own. So it's nothing, like I said, exclusive, right? So it went up, and because the news, it's gonna come back and retest these area. But after it came up here, it started to fail. And as you can see weakness coming in. Well, based on the candle, you can see the weakness. You got this big engulfing candle, bearish engulfing, and then it consolidate, broke down again. And then when it came down to 30.19, which is around here, I took all my profit out, right? And the reason why I took my profit was because we have the VWAP right here. If you guys know, VWAP is a sign or a place where a lot of people will look for a bounce play, or it's good for support, right? If you guys don't know, it's good for support. And most buyers will look to basically buy or re-enter at that price range. So the reason why I sold all my shares was because of the fact that it was close to VWAP. And as you can see, it came to the VWAP and then it bounced, came back again, bounced, and it consolidated for a while, and it started to go up until eventually it started failing, broke through the VWAP, and then started to fail going down, right? So this stock is not really fully in my criteria. I was just taking advantage of the fact that this wasn't a good enough news to push the stock that high, and the fact that it can be shorted. So I took advantage of it and I made some profit. So that was the 2 trades I took today. So overall, I made a total of $86.10, I think, and then subtract some ECN fees and all the other fees. So I did very well today. And like I said, I don't think I'm going to take any other trade. If I do take any other trade, is at power hour. And if I do, it's going to be a small size just to secure my profit that I have, right? So like I said, 2 out of 2 stocks, I did very well, proud of myself. And yeah, it is what it is. I'm glad that you guys are tuning in. If you want to join the Key Life gang, smash that subscribe button. If you like the video, smash the thumbs up button. Leave it in the comment. Today I'm gonna make another video. Hopefully you guys stay tuned. And if you don't want to miss that video, like I said, smash that subscribe button, guys. If you're rooting for me, smash that thumbs up button. So it's Key Life Trading, and I hope you guys have a good Memorial Day. Peace.